The Samsung Galaxy A55 brings a solid upgrade to Samsung's popular A series lineup, offering a perfect balance between design, performance, and premium features. Right from the moment you hold the phone, the refreshed glass back and smooth metal frame give a flagship-level feel that instantly stands out in the mid-range category. On the front, the Samsung Galaxy A55 features a stunning 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, delivering deep blacks, vibrant colors, and an incredibly smooth experience whether you are scrolling, gaming, or watching videos. The brightness is impressive and performs well outdoors under direct sunlight. Powering the device is Samsung's latest Exynos chipset, which brings noticeable improvements in everyday use. Whether you're multitasking, browsing heavy apps, or playing games like PUBG and Call of Duty, the Galaxy A55 maintains stable performance with good thermal control. The camera system is one of the biggest highlights. The 50 megapixels OIS main camera captures sharp, stable, and color-accurate shots even in low light. The ultra-wide and macro sensors add versatility, while the 32 megapixel selfie camera captures crisp and natural-looking photos. Battery life is another strong area. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day with mixed usage, and with 25W fast charging, you can quickly top up when needed. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A55 is a powerful mid-range smartphone offering a premium feel, smooth performance, and a reliable camera experience. If you want a stylish and dependable Samsung device in 2025, the Galaxy A55 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more premium reviews. Rocket Cell Phone.